Ready? 10! Hold it there, hold it there. You too, look. Right there, Mr. Bill. Stay right there, Bill. What? You got it. Ah. Wow, we got a lot of students. I think we're going to have to do a split club since they see this. This is awesome. Ready, Jericho? I'll take that as a yes. Yeah, Aurora, stay right there, stay right there. Don't move, Aurora, move. Don't move. You want a shield? Let's go take the hip first. Keep your feet right where they are. Keep your knees straight. There you go.
Wow, I can go.